Hello, design enthusiasts! We're back with another exciting episode on our channel. Today, we're going to unveil the magic of Posh Wood Acoustic Slat panels, a game changer in the realm of interior design. If you're looking to redefine your space with a blend of durability, functionality, and beauty, then you are in for a treat. Let's jump right in. Acoustic treatments have become a cornerstone of modern architecture. As we strive for spaces that are both visually stunning and functional, acoustic slat panels have emerged as a versatile solution. Let's explore how Posh Wood acoustic slat panels embody the three pillars of good architecture: durability, functionality, and beauty. Posh Wood acoustic slat panels are not just about aesthetics. They provide superb acoustic performance and come in various finishes that can give any space a modern and sleek look. But what sets Posh Wood panels apart? Let's dive deeper. Durability is a key aspect of any architectural component. Posh Wood's acoustic slat wall panels boast impressive durability, setting them apart from traditional acoustic treatments. Crafted with precision using high-quality materials, these panels are built to last, making them an ideal choice for high-traffic areas and commercial spaces. But Posh Wood panels are not just durable, they're also highly functional. They deliver optimal acoustic performance, effectively managing sound waves to enhance speech intelligibility and significantly reduce ambient noise. This fosters an environment conducive to productivity and comfort. Beauty is another pillar of good architecture, and Posh Wood panels are a testament to this. Available in 5 gorgeous finishes, these panels integrate with different architectural styles, creating a seamless and harmonious environment. Whether it's a sleek and modern office space or a warm and inviting hospitality venue, Posh Wood panels add a touch of elegance and sophistication. Flexibility in design is a crucial consideration for architects and designers, and Posh Wood slat panels excel in this aspect. These panels offer various installation options, allowing them to seamlessly integrate into walls, ceilings, or freestanding elements. This empowers professionals to experiment with different layouts and configurations, unleashing their creative potential. Selecting and installing the perfect acoustic solution requires careful consideration. You need to evaluate the specific acoustic requirements of the space, consider space limitations and aesthetic preferences, and implement proper maintenance techniques. But with Posh Wood, you're guaranteed a tailored solution that meets all project objectives. In conclusion, Posh Wood offers the perfect combination of durability, functionality, and beauty. Its superb acoustic performance, visual appeal, and design versatility make them the go-to choice for professionals aiming to create exceptional spaces. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more home decor tips and tricks. See you in the next video.